What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to bypass the 30-minute limit on your Sony a6300. I'm going to show you real quick what this looks like. You're going to access the app from application lists, and it's going to be called the Open Memories tweak. So let's go ahead and open the Open Memories tweak. You're going to head over to video, and there's going to be a disable video recording limit. So as you can see there, I have 13 hours and 1 minute on this SD card. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this on the PC. Let's jump right into it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to the URL in the description. That's going to take you to the Open Memories tweak page. Here you're going to have to install a driver or a plugin. You're going to find that right on under the compatibility information. It's going to be called the PMCA downloader. So go ahead and click the PMCA downloader. It'll open this page right here. Depending on what operating system you're on, Windows or Mac, make sure you click the correct one. I'm on a Windows, so I downloaded the Windows one. Once you have finished downloading that, make sure you install it. And once that's done, you're going to want to go back to the original page, and you're going to want to get this PMCA GUI. So the PMCA GUI is the actual tool that we're going to use to install the Open Memories tweak on the a6300. So go ahead and click that open. And here's the page that will be prompted. So also, again, depending on your operating system, you're either going to get the OS X for for Mac, or the EXE for Windows. So again, I got the Windows one and I already have it downloaded. So I'm going to go ahead and open this. So what you're actually going to want to do is you're going to want to go into your a6300. You're going to go into your settings, and you're going to go to USB connection. Make sure that your USB connection is set to MTP, otherwise the computer won't recognize it. So once you're in MTP mode, you can go ahead and plug your camera into the computer with the micro USB. Alright, the computer read it. I'm going to go ahead and see if I can get my camera info now. Yep, looks like I am all good to go. I have my model here and I have my product code here. So you want to go over to the install app portion, and you're going to want to click the drop down, and you're going to want to choose Open Memories Tweak. Once you have Open Memories Tweak selected, you're going to want to click Install Selected App. And once that's done, guys, you will see all the process take place down here, and you'll be completely done. So if you guys have any more questions or you run into any concerns, feel free to leave them in the comment section, and I'll address them as I can. Thanks for watching.